Nail guns and hammers are two essential tools in the woodworking lineup. Everything from framing to roofing needs either one of their driving power to make nail joints. Mainly, a nail gun is an advanced form of the hammer with an automatic nail insertion system. But still, many workers prefer hammers even after having fatigue. So in today's video, we'll explain which one is the best to use according to your working aspects. So without any more delay, let's hear it one by one. Starting with work speed, it is essential for industrial projects to complete their task within a short period of time. But framing hammers require a little longer time for their manual operation. By the time you pound a single nail with a framing hammer, you can pound 3 pins with a nail gun for their quick and powerful shots. So if you are a professional who needs a high volume of nailing in a limited time, a nail gun will serve you better than a traditional framing hammer in terms of working speed. Now let's talk about depth precision. A nail gun shoots with a fixed impact speed each time, so all the nails will go through the same levels of depth. Since different applications contain different depths, your aim for having an equal outcome for all portions of your surface, the nail gun is the better option to go. But in case you have to maintain different depths in the same wood, the hammer will perform better. Although all nail guns have depth adjustment, they will waste your time while changing depth repeatedly. After depth, let's focus on the surface strength. Each portion of wood has a certain strength. Crossing the barrier, you'll break the wood. A nail gun impacts each time equally, so it can tear apart the thinnest portion. Hence, a hammer will perform better on a thinner surface. On the contrary, a hammer bends the nails on a hard surface lacking the straight hitting direction, while a nail gun does the job perfectly with parallel impact. So observe your application surface in the first place before choosing. Up next, let's have a look at the safety. Hammers require the use of 2 hands, one hand for holding the hammer and the other one for holding nails. After a few moments of work, you'll feel pain in your wrist and fingers having blisters. Sometimes, the hammer head slips off on your hands and causes injuries to your fingers, but a nail gun does work itself. All you have to do is hold the gun and pull the trigger, meaning nail guns are perfect for long work sessions without a chance to get injuries as long as it don't shoot on anyone's face. Let's talk about maintenance. If your career depends on tools, you must keep them usable all the time. A hammer needs literally 0 repairs as they come in all in one steel and fiber body. Since the nail gun works mechanically, you will often get jammed nails in the magazine, air leakage in the compressor, or motor failure. So if you don't have proper kits, skills, or time for maintenance, traditional hammers will keep up your productivity more than a nail gun. And the next point is portability. Nail guns can give you transportation advantages because they have a magazine that can hold at least 100 nails or more at once, whereas you need to carry extra bags while pounding nails with hammers, which feels annoying. As a result, nail guns are effective for having fewer hassles while pounding nails, but keep in mind that nail guns require an air compressor or electricity, so portable power sources must be carried on the job site unless you use a cordless nail gun. Our next concern is the controls. Professionals prefer hammers because it provides a lot of control, meaning it helps in driving a nail to a snugly fit in the tight spaces. Plus, with the hammer, you can control the depth of the nail a bit more and make sure it is driven all the way in without having concern about power sources or cord lengths. Even though the nail guns have a variable speed dial for versatile nailing jobs, it is limited within 6 or 7 settings. So, for a very soft and accurate control as needed on your application, you'll find nothing as valuable as a traditional hammer. Hammers have been around as long as humans have with effective design, and the nail guns are powerful driven forces that can get you working through a job quickly and fairly efficiently. So that was all about today's video. Thanks for watching it. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.